Hello everybody! Today I want to talk with you about 5 reasons why I think that Home Depot is so amazing supplier and why we are doing this webinar, which is coming on the 26th of September. If you are watching this video after the 26th of September, under this video you will have a link to the recording of the webinar. So the first thing is that Home Depot can compare with Amazon by shipping times. Home Depot has 2 days shipping time for thousands of products. It means that actually you can compare with Amazon sellers, with people who do dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. You can compete with them and you can provide the same service with the same shipping time, which is amazing for us as a dropshippers. And this leads me to the second thing. The second thing is the high quality products that you have on Home Depot for expensive products. And why I say this? So I really like to work with expensive products because of one main thing. For expensive products, we can make much higher profit margins. And it means that if I work with Home Depot, I have there thousands of products with prices which are more than $100. And yes, this is true that you need to know how to work with these products. Actually, I already created a video about this and we will talk about this also on the webinar. We will talk about what you need to avoid when you work with expensive products, how to stay on the safe zone without any problems when you work with expensive products, and how to do it on the best way. So this is the second thing. The third thing why I so like Home Depot. So the thing is that on Home Depot you have the price match policy. It means that if the product drop its price, it means that, for example, product cost was $100 and then it decreased to $80 within 60 days after you purchased this product. Actually, you can ask Home Depot to compare the price and you will get your money back, which is really amazing for us because this is another huge percent of profit that we can keep for us, and we can actually make a lot of profits just from this small and easy to use policy. In AutoDS we also have feature which will help you to work with it, and I will show you on the webinar how to work with it on the right way to save time and make it on the best way so you don't lose any price matches. The fourth thing is that in Home Depot we have over 1 million high quality products. And it means that this supplier is really amazing for us because for other small American suppliers there is a lot of competition because people compete with each other, but here we have over 1 million products that you can work with them and ship to your buyers. The next thing here and the last thing is, and maybe it's also one of the most important things, and actually this is why we decided to make this webinar, because for many people it's really hard to work with Amazon because Amazon is locking accounts and it's really hard for people to work on this way. So Home Depot doesn't close any accounts, which is amazing. We can make huge profits with a clear mind, without any head cash, without any problems, which is really easy to use and really important for us as a dropshippers, because finally we want to make our work as much easier as possible. So see you on the 26th at 2 p.m. EST. Actually, if you see this video after the webinar, we will have a link under this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make like to this video and make a comment. What do you think about Home Depot as a supplier, and what do you think about this video? Also, write down in the comments as always if you have any question, and I promise you that personally I will go and answer all of your questions. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.